Obscene wealth gives you the freedom you want. We're here to create a fraternity of people who crave freedom, who don't take crap from no one, and who are eager to learn how to make more money, more networking, more wealth creation. We're for capitalism, wealth creation, entrepreneurship, and we're not shy about it. Today the topic is about crowdfunding. It's all about democratization of finance and access to capital. We have three panelists here: Joe Schoffler, Tyrell, Quinn. Fantastic bunch.
There's multiple types of crowdfunding. There's donation rewards, which is a way to essentially validate a product has a market. Entrepreneurs use this to pre-fund products out there, Kickstarter, Indiegogo, things of that nature. Enterprise level businesses are also looking at it as a way to pre-fund and basically skip the R&D phase and go straight to commercialization utilizing their current customer base. Equity-based crowdfunding, it's funding a private placement at its core. So there's debt-based and online lending as well as equity crowdfunding.
In terms of securities crowdfunding, the securities crowdfunding market last year was about $100 billion. Of that, the difference in investors coming into crowdfunding through private placements caused a doubling of the average number of investors in a private placement. It is democratizing access to capital. It is bringing in new players. In terms of who's buying, it runs the spectrum from small angel investors to institutions, because really platform finance or crowdfunding for equity is just creating a new discovery mechanism for deals. It's accelerating the pace at which deals get discovered because they can be advertised online.
At its core, crowdfunding is just the use of a technology platform to connect the company raising funds and the investors that are investing in those securities, investing in those companies. I don't know if we need to come up with a new term to specify equity and debt-based crowdfunding, but you're not just getting a good feeling in your heart and supporting a product that you like, but you're actually partnering with that company. You're becoming an investor in that company. Getting back to what Z was talking about with his goal of wealth creation and breaking boundaries and breaking the mold. What is wonderful about crowdfunding is that it's not just wealth creation on the side of the investor. Twice as many investors are being accessed. You're also allowing these entrepreneurs and these businesses that have not had access to capital before for various reasons, and now they can through the use of these platforms.
Mark your calendar. Next event, we're going to have a panel of 3 talking about how do you make money in a bearish market. That's what matters. How do you make money? Have a nice evening.